Welcome to this video about the Lollipop chart for the AIRT add-in. You can download that from excelawesome.com. All the charts that are created from the add-in you can share with anyone once you've put them in your spreadsheet, and anyone can update the numbers without having a copy of the add-in. Okay, so let's create a Lollipop chart here next to these month labels. So we're going to do this from some chart data which I've got over here. Essentially all you need for the Lollipop chart is a list of variances. So we're going to work with these numbers here from January through to December. Just click on AIRT and Lollipop. This is the range of data we need. In this case we don't need to show positive values as red. Our data is starting in row 6, doesn't have any headings. The headings are above that. And I want to manually select the minimum and maximum in this case for the chart. And then just click OK. So your chart's created. We can highlight this chart, right click and cut, and just select where we want the chart to be placed, and that's it. So that's us aligned alongside our rows. So there's another option to actually create the labels when we're doing a chart. So let's just do a second example. I'll remove this information. So in this case I'm going to select the labels since they don't currently exist within the spreadsheet. Again, just click Lollipop. We've got 2 columns of data this time, and again I'll just select the minimum and maximum ranges for the chart. There we have it. I'll make this a little bit bigger this time. Again, we can cut, right click, cut, and paste in here. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching.